Today is January 23rd, and we're in the middle of blizzard, blizzard Jonas. Thought I'd give you a view of how it looks. This is out my new back apartment porch. That was a rocking chair uncovered yesterday. These little birds trying to get some food. Hazel's going out. Louie's going out. There's no chance much of them running away because the snow is deeper than Louie. Go potty. Obviously, even in snowstorms, dogs need to go to the bathroom. Hear the wind? I cleared this twice already today. It's around 11 and I cleared it at 7 and 9 again. That is Hazel running around like a crazy dog. And Louie waits for her to return.